Hello once again. Today in this video I'm going to tell you the concept of space related to the position and the size of any object or any living thing. As I am Mrs. D.S. Naveen from Kendriya Vidayalay Old Prayagraj. So please, if you like this, you can share and subscribe this channel. Let's begin our video with the help of one story. And in this story, we have three characters: one camel, Arab, the tent. Now let's begin our story with the help of pictures, and it will be very easy for you to understand it. Okay, the Arab and his camel. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. The camel was outside the tent. See, the camel is sitting outside the tent. Now, in the night, may I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside. Okay, you may put your neck inside. After some time, the camel said, may I put my front leg inside? It is too cold outside. What did the Arab said? Okay, you may put your front leg inside. Now let's see what happened. Can I come inside? It is too cold outside. Oh no, the tent is too small for both of us. So I'm coming inside and you go outside. What happened? In the beginning, the camel was outside and the Arab was inside the tent. But in the end of the story, the camel is inside the tent and the Arab is outside the tent. So in this way, you can learn the concept of inside and outside of anything. Like when you put your pencil inside your pencil box, and when you take it out, it is outside from the pencil box. Okay, let's come to the next concept of our today's lesson. It is the concept of size, bigger, smaller. Just see, children, these are the two pictures, and when ER is there, you have to compare the things in between two things. When you compare the two things, then you will write ER. Okay, it is a comparative degree type. Means hippopotamus is bigger than this small puppy. And take the smaller out of these two leaves. With the help of your eyes and imagination, you can easily say that this leaf is smaller than this leaf. Now, here the cow and the squirrel. Which is smaller? Definitely the squirrel is smaller. And take the smaller tire. Here you have to take the tire. Okay, which is smaller? This one. Now the biggest thing. Biggest means it is a superlative degree. Means here you are comparing more than two things. Means generally we take 3, 4, 5 things, but here only 3 things have taken. So like this, in these 3 trees, which is the smallest one? This is the smallest one. And in these 3 animals, which is the biggest one? This elephant. Okay. And out of these fruits, which one is the smallest? This cherry. And take the biggest bubble. Yeah, this one is maybe the biggest bubble. Okay, in this way you can get the concept of bigger, smaller, biggest and smallest. Next is nearer and farther. This is the concept related to the position of any other object. Okay, here also we are taking the two objects but not the size. It is the distance between these two things. Okay, now see, take the bird nearer to the home. Means here we are taking the position of this bird, these two birds with this house. Okay, which bird is nearer? The purple one. Good. And in this, you have to take the cat farther from the tree. Means here you are comparing these two cats with the position of this rat and this tree. Here, which is the farther? This one is the farther. Okay. Now, the nearest and the farthest. Again here, because here you are comparing the two things, but in this you are comparing more than two things. Here, the farthest from the swing, nearest to the swing, and on this concept you have to do these two paths, two sums here. Tick the puppy farthest from the tree. Farthest means have a very long distance. Okay, now this puppy is the farthest one, and which is the nearest to the bird. Okay, now here you have to compare with these tree with this bird. Which is the nearest? This tree is nearest to the bird. Okay, and what is about this? Again the position, that is the position of top and bottom. Okay, here you are seeing top means something at a higher level from the ground. So this boy is at the top and this boy is at the bottom. And this bird is at the top of the tree and this cat is under the tree. Okay, at the bottom of the tree. Now you have to take the pot on the top. The top one means above the ground. This one is above the ground. Okay, and this, where is the bottom of the stair? This, take the animal at the bottom of the stair, and this animal is at the bottom of the stair. Next one is the under, above and below. It is also again related to the position of objects with when we compare with the position of other object. Okay, like see, above the table means the fan is above the table. Below the fan means the boy is below the fan. Okay, on the table. On the table means the cat is on the table, this boy is on the table, this girl is on the table, that boy is also on the table. And then under the table. Under the table means like this rat is under the table, this boy is under the table, this bag is again under the table. And in this way you can learn the concept of under, on, above and below. Now in this last slide, I'm going to tell you the things in one picture like this. This bird is up, and along with that you can write the under. This boy is under the tree. This house is very far, and this house is near. And we are comparing all these things with this near to the taking the concept of this well. Okay, top. This is on the top and this pot is at the bottom. This tree is big and this tree is small. So here you are getting some few new concepts related to the position, size and of the objects related to the other objects, and in this way we are now closing our video. If you like this video, you can share, subscribe with your friends and help to grow the video. Thank you so much.